Today we're going to be making paper animal airplanes. I know it sounds weird, but you're going to love it. Okay, so my cameraman is going to be helping me. What you want to do is you want to fold it. Just like that. And then you want to seal the end right there. The other thing, and then you want to open it. And then fold the corners just where that crease was in the middle. And then you should have like the top, like kind of triangle paper. And then you want to fold it, just half of it like that, but in the middle where that crease was. Overlap them just a little. And then you flip it over. And then you see the ears and yeah, it kind of looks like an airplane right now, right, guys? So, what you want to do is you want to, like, make eyes. That's how I make eyes. So, that's just a cuter way to make eyes. If you don't know how to make eyes, there you go. If they're too close together for your first try, then that's fine. And then you can, those for ears, that's my cameraman's way to do it. And then you can make the mouth. I don't know what this is. So, I think it's a tiger. Looks like it is. You see, if you don't have to color it like this, you can color it however you want. You can make whatever you want with it. Feel free to do it however you want. So as you can see, it's almost done. My cameraman is just adding the details, as you can see, adding the stripes too. So, that's it without any color except the stripes. Okay. So now we have the tiger. It's really cute. Now you can color yours however you want. It's really easy and simple. And well, yeah, there you go. You have your paper animal airplane. Now let's test throwing it. First, I like to sharpen the end just a little. Twirl around and then off. Sometimes it does a little thing. Okay, we're good. Now we are going to try it again. All right, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. A perfect fly. Alright, that was it for this video. See you next time.